Alright. Hello, my name is Sabya Kumar and my ID number is 831977722, and this is my recording for the programming for AI assignment. So let us get started. So first of all, I have gone into my GitHub repository and open the project. It's NumCompute-Stream. This NumCompute-Stream is a sub-folder of NumCompute, which is a machine learning toolkit, and is entirely built on NumPy and Matplot, which I've used inside my functions, as I showcase you everything. So as you go into repository, we can see on our left hand side on our important functions as like ensemble, which uses a random forest classifier, matrices like the precision, accuracy, and F1 scores, which are calculated. And from this main Jupyter notebook file, we can easily see on those visuals, as I will showcase you everything inside as we move further. Yes, we have the trees and the streaming POE as well. So let us get started. And first of all, we are importing these important libraries. Next, we have the ensemble, which is important for as we have used the bagging classifier for the ensemble learning. Yes, we have accuracy precision. Pipeline is used as we train the model, then evaluate it, and then we visualize it, right? So I'm also handling these misleading values as well inside the pipeline. Next, we talk about our accuracy precision as we move further as well. Next, I'm doing visualization, and it is only built using Matplot, which is one of the important for the visualization. Next, we move to the test case, and so here I'm using unit test cases. It has on our edge cases as well, and as we can see that I'm using PyTest as I've imported my own module also inside that function. And we can see that all our test cases has been passed, and it takes less than 5 seconds, which is very interesting and very important for our model. Next, we move into an important file, that is stream demo. And so first of all, as you can see from the first send, that we are importing the libraries, and also handling the error issues, which is very important when we are training a model, because we can have misleading values, and it's very important. So the on our important successes, and we have also implemented most latest version as well. So next we move further, and I'm using iris data set here. So with the open function, we can evaluate it. We can open the file. I'm also printing the first 5 rows, as you can see from here. And from this evaluation, we can see that I have 150 rows and 4 columns. Next, we are shuffling into the a random arrival order for our chunk size. Here we have 10 chunks and 15 samples for each of them. So I have the decision tree classifier, as we are just training the model here for both of them, random forest as well. And from the benchmarks, we can discuss about how much time it takes and the time it takes for the accuracy as well. Here I'm just using the matplot libraries, like the functions for the plot and the subplots as well, to label out my answers. Here we can see the comparison as well, and I've done for each of them. Here I have also tricked the main streaming files. Next, as we move further, I've also used the min-max scalar algorithm for each of them, and it is very important when we are training our modern data sets, and this benchmarking gives a very interesting result. It is very important for our models to train. So the final output, we can see that the decision tree takes less amount of time, but the accuracy is very good. So but the random forest takes it has the highest highest accuracy but takes more amount of time. That is why we think that it is very beneficial to this decision tree, because its depth is also very important. So that's it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and that's conclude our assignment.